Hey guys, today I'm going to walk you through how to do shared parking. This is a really great trick if you, for example, want to um, put a call on hold and go talk to somebody and let them know that somebody's on the line, and then let them pick up. Or if you just need to switch devices, if you're at the front and you need to put them on holds, go pick them up on a different line. This is a really handy trick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call myself to start using my handy dandy cell phone. I'm going to answer that call, and then it works just like transferring. You really are transferring them. I have these BLFs set up on my phone so that I can just punch this, and that transfers it to the shared parking call. Oops. So now this phone is on hold, and you can see that that line is lit up right there. Now I can go to any other phone and I can push that button or that shared parking line, and it will pick up the phone. But I'm just going to do it right here, and so we're going to go from them being on holds to talking to them again. So that's how to use shared parking.